Tai Chi. In England they eat fish and chips. In China they eat dim sum. In Japan the kids eat sushi. All I can say is yum. It's a wonderful world we live in, and kids have many names. Different places, different faces, but kids are all the same. Different places, different faces, but kids are all the same.
Everybody shake your body. Everybody dance to the music. Everybody shake your body. Everybody dance. And now touch your head. And now touch your toes. Now touch your ears. Now touch your nose. Everybody shake your body. Everybody dance to the music. Everybody shake your body. Everybody dance. Now move your hands. And now move your feet. Now shake your legs to the juice band beat. Now touch your head, touch your toes, touch your ears, touch your nose. Move your hands, move your feet. Shake your legs to the juice band beat. Everybody shake your body. Everybody dance to the music. Everybody shake your body. Everybody dance.
Blue, blue, the sky is blue. Come, let's see the color blue. Green, green, the trees are green. Come, let's see the color green. Purple, yellow, and orange. So many colors to see. Learning all the colors is fun for you and me.
Red, red, the car is red.
Come, let's see the color red. Come, let's see the color green. Come, let's see the color blue.
Come and meet my family. Meet my family. Meet my family. Come and meet my family. Please come and meet them with me. Come and meet my father.
Hello.
Meet my father.
Hello.
Meet my father.
Hello.
Come and meet my father.
Hello.
Please come and meet him with me. Come and meet my mother.
Nice to meet you.
Meet my mother.
Nice to meet you.
Meet my mother.
Nice to meet you.
Come and meet my mother.
Nice to meet you.
Please come and meet her with me. Come and meet my sister.
Hi.
Meet my sister.
Hi.
Meet my sister.
Hi.
Come and meet my sister.
Hi.
Please come and meet her with me. Come and meet my baby brother. My baby brother. My baby brother. Come and meet my baby brother. Please come and meet him with me.
Bye! Spring is here, spring is here. The flowers, the trees, the birds and the bees. Spring is here, spring is here. Everything is in bloom. The grass is green, the air is clean. The birds are singing a song. A warm spring day, all I can say, I wait for spring all year long. Spring is here, spring the trees, the birds and the bees. Spring is here, spring is here. Everything is in bloom.
Pretty flowers,
Everything is in bloom.
birds and bees, yeah.
Everything is in bloom.
You can run.
No, I can't.
You can climb.
No, I can't.
You can jump.
Oh.
You can try. Simon, there's so much you can do. I can help you. You can play all the day. Read a book.
Let's take a look.
Simon, you can dance and sing. You can do anything. It's all up to you to do what you want to do. Don't ask why. You can try. You can try.
I can run. I can climb. I can jump.
Yay!
I can try. There's so much that I can do.
You can do it, Simon.
Oh, there's so much that I can do.
I can help you, Simon.
How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you happy, sad, or glad? How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you angry, tired, or mad? Are you tired? Then go to bed. A bed to rest your head. Are you hungry? Here's some food to eat. Are you thirsty? A drink is a treat. How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you happy, sad, or glad? How do you feel? How do you feel? Are you angry, tired, or mad? Are you happy, sad, or glad? Are you happy, sad, or glad?
Do you play basketball with your friends, with your friends, with your friends? Do you go swimming with your friends? Please tell me.
I play basketball with my friends, with my friends, with my friends. I go swimming with my friends, that's what we do. Friends, to play with, to jump with, to run around. Friends, a friend like you, that's what I found. Do you like running with your friends, with your friends, with your friends? Do you play tennis with your friends? Please tell me.
I like running with my